Hey explorers, Kita Explorer here, and today we're on day 4 of the wine cruise, the river cruise. Today we are actually going to have a wine lecture this morning because we'll be cruising this morning, and then in the afternoon we're actually, at least me and my friends, are going on a truffle hunt at a truffle farm. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to see all that we do today here on the AmaCello Boat with AmaWaterways. Let's get into it. Oh, before we do, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and a notification bell so you'll be notified when all of my videos are released. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much, I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into this video here in France.
France is the mother of wine all around the world. Where the wine is from, they said a glass of wine will keep you living forever. My mother's 97 and she still lives a long time. So thank you guys all. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy our time here, and I'll talk to you around. I'll be around. And
back up on the top deck of the AmaCello boat for AmaWaterways. Didn't see this putt-putt yesterday. So we're leaving the ship and we're headed on a bus to go to the truffle farm.
You do have the sun in your eyes. A lovely view over to the cathedral, cathedral precinct of Viviers. A cathedral, that means that this is the seat of a bishop, a Catholic bishop, and there has been a bishop here in Viviers. If you want black table olives, then you leave the olives on the tree until they have gone black.
So we have made it to truffle hunting, and in order to have truffles you have to have oak trees, a good environment, and dogs to find them. So we're waiting for the dogs to come out to find the truffles. The dogs have arrived and they are here to do their job to find truffles. So dogs are used instead of pigs because they can be trained to not eat the truffles when they find them. Now, truffles are an actual fungi type of mushroom that grows right below the surface of the ground. And they actually kind of look like a potato. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, no. Good job. Now we're going to go into the truffle farmer's home to have a little tasting with wine like rosé and some bread pieces with truffle oil on top. So let's dig in.
When you want to eat a truffle, you just wash it under water with a hard brush, and after you dry it with paper and you cut it in slices with a mandoline. Mandoline is Italian.
Rosé. Off to Lyon. Captain at work. Captain at work. Waiting to go through the locks here on the way to Lyon. So according to the captain, we actually missed our entry time into the lock system because the second bus that went to a different truffle farm than the one we went to was late getting back to the boat, and they couldn't leave them, right? So we missed our entry time, meaning another boat went through before us, making us have to wait outside for 30 minutes, as that is the entire time it takes for a boat to go through, rise up or go down in the lock system and leave. So the Rhone River is one of Europe's greatest rivers in size, power, and a lot of commercial traffic. But this river can be very difficult at times, but according to the ship, it is not the demon it used to be. So They tamed it by adding these lock systems, which contains its flow and allows for traffic to go through, but since there are locks, they have to go through the system, and it takes 30 minutes to go through. So going up and down and going through the locks, which was pretty cool to see and talk to the captain about. Now let's head to dinner, hosted by our wine vintner, Theodora Lee. Every night at dinner, there was different menus with different food options. Now the Caesar salad is always offered, and we all agreed that it was the best Caesar salad we ever had. Now on to the lounge.
One that you adore can love for me and you.
After dinner, we went back to the lounge to enjoy some live entertainment from one of the guests on board before going back through the locks again. And we even had some of the staff get in on dancing with us and had a great time before we turned in for the night on day 4 on our river cruise. If you enjoyed this video in Viviers and the Truffle Farm here on the AmaWaterways cruise, please make sure you hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's free for you to do so and helps me provide more and better content to you in the future. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and social media networks. And if you would love to support my business even further, you can leave me a little tip by hitting the thanks button down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.